Today, we're going to explore the stunning country of Croatia. Nestled in Southeast Europe, Croatia is a country with a rich cultural heritage, picturesque landscapes, and a vibrant tourism industry. From its stunning coastline to its charming villages, rugged mountains, national park and bustling cities, Croatia has something for everyone. So stay tuned, and before that, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. 1. Dubrovnik, a must-visit destination for any traveler to Croatia. With its stunning views of the Adriatic Sea, well-preserved old town, historic landmarks, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife, it's no wonder that Dubrovnik has become one of Croatia's most popular destinations. The city's medieval walls, built in the 13th century, surround the old town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can walk along the walls, enjoy stunning views of the city and the sea. Dubrovnik is also famous for its beautiful beaches, such as Banji Beach, and its historic landmarks, such as the Rector's Palace and Dubrovnik Cathedral. 2. Plitvice Lakes National Park. One of the most stunning natural wonders of Croatia is a must-visit destination for any nature lover located in central Croatia. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park features 16 interconnected lakes, surrounded by lush forests and stunning waterfalls. Visitors can hike along the park's many trails, walk on the wooden pathways that cross over the lakes, and enjoy the serene beauty of the park's unique landscape. Plitvice Lakes National Park is also home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, making it a popular destination for birdwatching and wildlife spotting. With its natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a true gem of Croatia. 3. Hvar Island. Known for its crystal-clear waters, sandy beaches, and stunning natural scenery, Hvar Island is one of the most beautiful and popular destinations in Croatia. Located in the central part of the Adriatic Sea, Hvar has a rich history and cultural heritage dating back to ancient times, with many well-preserved monuments and landmarks. The island is also famous for its nightlife, numerous bars and clubs that cater to a diverse crowd. Visitors can explore the charming Hvar town, hike through the island's lush vegetation, or simply relax on one of its many beaches. With its perfect mix of history, culture, and natural beauty, Hvar Island is a must-visit destination in Croatia. 4. Zadar, a charming coastal city located in the northern part of Dalmatia, Croatia. The city's most famous landmark is the sea organ, an experimental musical instrument that uses the waves of the sea to create a unique sound. Visitors can also explore the ancient Roman Forum, St. Donatus Church, and the many museums and art galleries in the city. Zadar is also a great place to enjoy the sun and sea, with many beautiful beaches and coastal promenades. With its rich history, cultural significance, and natural beauty, Zadar is a must-visit destination in Croatia. It is known for its historic architecture, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural heritage. 5. Split. One of the most captivating cities in Croatia, located on the eastern shore of the Adriatic Sea. It is known for its rich history and cultural heritage. ND has many well-preserved Roman ruins and medieval landmarks. The city's most famous attraction is the Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built by the Roman Emperor Diocletian in the 4th century AD. Visitors can also explore the Riva Promenade, the Marijan Hill, museums and art galleries in the city. With its vibrant nightlife, scenic beauty, and cultural richness, Split is a must-visit destination in Croatia. 6. Korčula Island is a hidden gem of Croatia, located in the southern part of the Adriatic Sea. The island has a rich history dating back to ancient times, and is believed to be the birthplace of the famous explorer Marco Polo. Visitors can explore the charming Korčula town, hike through the island's lush vegetation, or simply relax on one of its many secluded beaches. The island is also famous for its wineries, olive groves, and traditional cuisine, offering visitors a unique culinary experience. With its natural beauty, rich history, and cultural significance, Korčula Island is a must-visit destination in Croatia. It is also known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and stunning natural scenery. 7. Rovinj, a picturesque coastal town located in the Istria region of Croatia, is known for its narrow, winding streets, colorful houses, and beautiful beaches. The town's most famous landmark is the St. Euphemia Church, a stunning Baroque church, with a bell tower that offers panoramic views of the town and the sea. Visitors can also explore the charming old town, with its many galleries, restaurants, and artisan shops. Rovinj is a great place to enjoy the sun and sea, with many beautiful beaches and coastal promenades. With its unique architecture, natural beauty, and cultural significance, Rovinj is a must-visit destination in Croatia. 8. Trogir, just a short drive from Split, is a small historic town located on the Adriatic coast of Croatia. It has well-preserved medieval architecture, including the stunning Trogir Cathedral and the Camerlengo Fortress. The town is also home to many beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Visitors can explore the charming old town, with its winding streets, ancient buildings, and picturesque squares. Trogir is a great place to immerse yourself in history, culture, and natural beauty, and offers a peaceful and relaxing getaway from the hustle and bustle of larger cities. 9. Krka National Park, a stunning natural oasis located in the heart of Dalmatia, Croatia. 7 picturesque waterfalls, crystal-clear lakes, and lush vegetation is what attracts people here. Visitors can hike through the park's scenic trails, swim in the refreshing waters of the Krka River, or explore the many historic monuments and landmarks within the park. The park is also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including many endangered species. With its breathtaking beauty and rich biodiversity, Krka National Park is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. 10. Pula is a historic city located on the southern tip of the Istrian Peninsula, Croatia. It has one of the largest and most well-preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world, and is known for its well-preserved Roman ruins, including the impressive Pula Arena. Visitors can also explore the charming old town, with its narrow streets, ancient buildings, and picturesque squares. Pula is also a great place to enjoy the sun and sea, with many beautiful beaches and coastal promenades. With its unique architecture, rich history, and stunning natural scenery, Pula is a must-visit destination in Croatia.